Some of you need to see me scowling in order to feel like this is medicine for you. Others of you need to hear me shame you, which I'm not willing to do, so you're just gonna have to work with this, okay? Others of you will really benefit from hearing me take your side and feel compassion for you. I've walked this path also of fearing that more money will take me out of my mission. Fearing that I'm gonna lose sight of my goodness, my good Samaritanism, my soul alignment, my authenticity with more money, that I will get derailed. So I continue to suffer and push away money, or not hold it, receive it, and then let it flow out of me like a filter, a sieve, right? But not retaining the wealth and the abundance. This is a process, but it starts with a decision. So I hereby declare that you get to be rich as fuck, filthy fucking rich, dripping wet with money, coins, lusciousness, prosperity. Funny, water is like the symbol of prosperity in so many ways, right? Dripping wet with resources, with lush abundance. And you get to be a good human at the same time. Let's do this. All I can say is that it's a trick. We got tricked some generations back into thinking that we are better healers, servants of humanity when we're poor. That when it's harder, it means we're doing a better job. When there's struggle, it means we're doing it right. When there's strife, it means we're earning for future reward. That does not have to be the case, and you get to literally shift the rule book for that, because it is you who has a belief that's making that your reality. It used to be my belief also, and I had to just redirect it and ask my system, ask my higher self to show me all the places and ways I purport that belief. Thank you, House, for confirming. You get to shift a belief at any time. Simply ask your system. You have a very vast, powerful subconscious, we should call it the super conscious, that knows everything. Nothing is left unturned. Nothing that you've ever heard has been lost or forgotten from the superconscious. So leverage it to your advantage and ask your system to bring to you all the places where that illusion is still running, and course redirect it. I direct all vectors of energy that are saying that, we're not even going to repeat it, to face the direction of source, my highest alignment with prosperity, wealth, resourcedness. I choose to be resourced. I choose to be well off. I choose to be well off. I choose to be well fed. I choose to be served. I choose to be full. I choose to be held. I choose to be supported. I choose to have resources. I choose to have money. Just feel it. Just feel it. Just feel it.